Hey, what's going on, guys? 3G Racing here, and today I'm bringing you guys another video. Let's get right into it. Alright, so for this video I got some good news and some bad news to start off, so let's start off with the good news. Here we go, we got some new wheels on this thing, some nice Enkais. Boom. Look good, they're 17s. I think they suit the car really well. They look better in the daylight. I'll show you guys in a later portion of the video, but yeah, that's the good news. Really adds a lot to the car there. Now for the bad news, this brand new window regulator I put in here just broke while I was driving and the window's stuck down. So gonna be working on putting that back up. And then I got a package from Mitsubishi. It was a silicone hose set, and I have my sponsorship package from them as well. So we'll get to that later, but right now we gotta try to fix this before it rains next. So alright guys, well this will do it. I found this right down in here. It looks like it came off of somewhere in there. Gotta probably take it apart again and figure that out. Alright, what's going on, guys? Back at it today. So I figured out what the problem with the timing belt was. It wasn't actually the timing belt. Well, my dad figured it out actually. We took it for a test drive, and the motor mount, I'll show you guys in a second. When you shake the engine, you can feel it vibrate, and you can actually hear the noise coming from the motor mount too. So that's a relief. It's gonna order a new set of poly motor mounts for the car, and I'm gonna try to just grease it to get the noise to go down for now. But yeah, let's get right into it. Alright guys, well not much to show for that clip. I didn't really do much, so I'm just gonna let the car sit for today. Wait for the weather to get a little bit warmer out, and then I'll install some extra parts. I have a short shifter to install, and then some silicone hoses from Mitsubishi that I can put in, and then I'm also getting the poly motor mount. So I'll be back with you guys on the next time that happens. Alright, what's up guys? New day. I got my short shifter here. I'm gonna throw it in the car, see if I can get that done today. It's pretty nice out, so I'm gonna try to get some extra work done. And also, if you haven't heard, we're in the middle of the third ever Eclipse tournament on my Instagram account. I'll have the link to my Instagram in the bio, but yeah, come check it out. Whew, these wheels look so damn good, yo. Definitely money well spent. I need to get new tires bad though. You guys should check this out. Yeah, they're pretty low on tread up here. These, yeah, I just spin all the time, so. Alright, so the first thing we gotta do here is just pop out this plastic piece. I believe it just has little tabs in there, so I'm just gonna pry that out quick and ignore all this stuff. It's from the window over here that I have zip tied up until the parts are ready, so. Alright guys, so I got that out, just pries right out with the flathead screwdriver here. And then after that, there's just 4 screws holding this in. And there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you gotta just undo your shift knob here as well. So we'll get to that. Alright guys, so I got that out now too. Now I'm pretty sure all we have to do is just unbolt this here, slide it out, and this should just all come out, and we could replace it with this new Megan Racing short shifter here. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so I got the old shifter out. Here it is compared to the new one. Yeah, I ended up taking out this plastic piece, and what I did was I unbolted this here to get it out, and then I just had to take off this, which was just on there like that, and it was just going over to cover that screw or that bolt there. And then there was a little clamp down here. It's still on here actually. There's a little like clamp down here. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. And you have to like pry those apart so you can get the bottom ball out here, and then you should be good to go. Alright guys, so I got the new shifter in. Cut my thumb open pretty bad, but whatever. Just a thumb. But yeah, let's finish putting it together and take it for a test drive. And here it is for you guys that want to see it. Nice and shiny short shifter. I think I'm just gonna throw the old knob back on just because it is winter time. This thing is gonna be freezing in the cold, and I want to get an aftermarket shift knob still anyway, so we'll just roll with this one for now, but I have to finish putting everything back together first. Alright y'all, and just like that, everything's back together. Short shifter is in. Hit that down quick, and we are all good. Now I'll just go take it for a test drive, and let's see how it does. Alright, what's up y'all? Making a quick trip to Target, trying to go get one of those mounts for my phone so I can record some shifting in the new short shifter to finish off this video and get some better videos in the future. So let's go. Alright y'all, package acquired, here we go. Now it's time to set it up. Alright guys, time for some quick highway pulls. Yeah, she's quick. Yeah, definitely mess with this thing a lot though. It literally, like, the Eclipse already has a short, like, shifting point. Like, it's not hard to slam it through the gears as it is, and then you have the short shifter, it cuts it in half, so take it as you will. But this thing, it's nice to have. It didn't take long regardless, but it's a nice simple little addition here. Alright, here it goes guys. Practicing for him back at the track next season, so we're gonna be tearing it up on the streets this winter down in Mexico, of course. But yeah, the person cut me off right when I started the video. Alright, they get it pulled from second gear here. Alright, thank you guys for watching then. That's going to be it for today's video. Short shifter got in. Next video, either maybe exhaust, just racing around town, meets with my friends, or who knows, maybe I'll do the silicone hose set. I don't know, but big shout out to Megan Racing for the short shifter. It's only $50 online if you can find a way to get that. But yeah, thank you guys for everything and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.